Welcome, welcome, welcome to Hope of Glory. My name is Comlight. In today's segment, we're going to be talking about those people that have been newly diagnosed of cancer. And what is cancer? Cancer is a term given to a disease whereby your cells in your body begin to multiply uncontrollably. And this disease can spread to any part of your body through the bloodstream or the lymphatic system. According to the national statistics, it is established that about 18.1 million people around the globe do get diagnosed of cancer annually. And cancer can affect any age group. It can affect men, women, boys, girls, or even children. So what then are the things for you to do if you have been diagnosed of cancer? The first thing that you need to do is to refuse to accept that disease. Do not succumb to that disease. Do not give in to that disease. Just in your heart, I'm not saying you should tell the doctor off that you have told me I've got cancer. That's not what I'm saying. In your heart, just remain positive and refuse to accept this diagnosis. The second thing to do is to begin to command healing to come to you. And after some time of confessing healing, of commanding healing to come to you, begin to confess that you are healed and believe in your heart that it is so. Take it so serious. And the last thing to do is to embark on a good diet and exercises. I do not care whether a man, a woman, a boy, a girl, whatever part of the world you are living in, whatever nationality, whatever race, color, or creed. I'm here to encourage you, to give you hope that do not succumb or give in to that cancer disease. You must never lose hope, but keep on hoping for the best. A story was told of a certain woman who had a breast lump and began to arrange to come back to hospital to have this lump removed. As she went home, she began to tell her friends, to her family, and throughout all that telling, she was just laughing. She never took it serious. She remained positive. And when time came for her to go back to the hospital to have this lump removed, they checked the lump. They did a scan and checked the lump, and they found that the lump was gone. What had happened there? Obviously, a miraculous healing had taken place. And also, I remember some time ago when I was in England, I met a certain man who told me a story that really baffled me. What this man said, he said, some time ago, that was 5 years before before we met, he said he was told that he had cancer and he was told to go back home and put his house in order and wait for his day because they had only given him 3 months to live. The man refused to succumb to the disease. He refused to give in. He remained positive. And secondly, he started commanding healing to come to him and finally started confessing that he's healed, and he truly believed in his heart that he was healed. And then the last thing that he did, he embarked on a good diet, especially organic foods, and then he also did some exercises. So if you are feeling gloomy, if you are feeling low, and you feel like your world has really collapsed on you because of the new diagnosis of cancer, I implore you never to lose hope, but keep on hoping for the best. What then am I saying? I'm saying, before you think of going for any chemotherapy or surgery when they've told you that you've got cancer, number one thing to do is to remain positive. Refuse to accept that diagnosis. And it just in your heart, refuse to accept it and behave as if you don't even have it. And the second thing for you to do is to begin to command healing to come to you. And after some time, begin to confess positively that you are truly and surely healed. And the last thing to do is to embark on a good diet and do some exercises. So wherever you are, whatever diagnosis you have been given, do not lose hope, but keep on hoping for the best. Me signing out, Comlight. Bye for now, until next time.